Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. This is going to be your daily love reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck, guys, and 1 card from the other deck. Okay. Okay, Anchor, Heart, and Clouds. Okay, guys. Okay, Libras, and today you may be stepping into some kind of huge challenge, okay? Suggestion, there's some kind of completion of any activity, okay? Um, Maybe you're completing a work you were doing the past few days, okay, or you're completing in a relationship, maybe uh, you're being very responsible, okay, you're moving into the next step, maybe accepting a proposal or something like that, okay. You feel grounded, uh, you feel what to say, confidence, okay, in the situation. You will be maybe you are doing some work for some people unconditionally, okay, without any expectations, without any returns. Maybe you're helping out some people, you're working generously, maybe, okay, or you may be involved in some kind of creative activities, guys, okay. uh, some of you, there may be doubt in your heart, okay, regarding some things in your work or in your personal life, okay. So you should not be deceived with appearances, guys. You should pay close attention and find out what is true, okay. So sometimes for some of you all, you may be facing challenges, okay, sudden challenges or confusions if you are not very attentive, okay, to your situation, okay. Some kind of uncertainty is there during the day, okay. Some kind of minor problems are there, okay, but you can overcome with your perseverance, okay, and confidence, guys. That is the energy I'm getting here. Some kind of doubt may arise in you regarding in your work or regarding your person, okay, but you just have to put your heart and soul into the action, okay, to find out what is true, guys, and you will find the solution. So that is the energy I'm getting here. Let me pick out one more card from this deck, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Libras, what is coming up? Kindness. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, today you may be helping people out, okay. So simple acts of kindness will help you in the long way, guys, okay. Small things done spontaneously to help others, okay. um, Maybe spending your time to counsel somebody, giving some advice, okay, and maybe being there for somebody, okay, who's really in grief, okay, may help you also to heal, guys. when you help your friends, sometimes even strangers, okay? So it will just open your heart to healing. You will get a sense of belonging, okay? And you will understand that everybody is the same, guys. So small words or gestures, okay, will have the magical power to heal us also, Libras. So that is the energy I'm getting here, guys. So no need to doubt, guys. Things will turn out for the better. That is the energy I'm getting here. So you may doubt certain things or certain people in your circumstance. Maybe it's the time for you to hold your thoughts, okay? Just wait for the correct moment, and then decide, guys. So that is the energy I'm getting here, Libras. Thanks for watching, guys. The slogan for today is freedom is love, guys. When you love somebody, you give them total freedom, okay? So when your person gives you freedom, or when you give your person freedom, it just means you trust them and you have confidence in them, okay? So that is a slogan for today. You can practice this, guys, every day. This will help you a lot. It will help you to grow emotionally and spiritually, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment whether this reading resonated with you all. Thanks, Libras. Bye, guys.